What should you tell when you are buying new? Be more careful though you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
Wagwan KK squad, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I hope you join the KK squad. In this video, as you can see by the title, I'll be doing a Dollar Tree wash day plus styling. Dollar Tree, yes, Dollar Tree. So we're gonna see how these products work on my hair, because Dollar Tree, everything is only $1. As you can see, I have build up on my hair, gel and all that extra stuff, so my hair is dirty. Before I get into the video, my shirt, my co-worker did this. Shout out to you, Mariana. I am so thankful, I'm so grateful, I love it. I have them in 3 different colors. You'll see the rest in other videos. The first product I have is the shampoo and conditioner from the brand Salon Selectives Volume Body. It's enriched with biotin, which got my attention. Sulfate free, another thing that got my attention. It boosts fullness and body. These are what we're working with. Next, the brand Lusti. It's called Lusti Argan Oil Hair Moisturizer, triple strength. So this is a moisturizer. And also I have Lusti Olive Oil Styling Gel. Then I have Via Natural Coconut Oil. So let's get right into the video. The first thing that I like about this shampoo is the pump. I don't have to like squeeze anything in my hand. I already got a pump. You just pump it out. Love that. So as you guys know, the first shampoo, it doesn't really lather up a lot. I see a little. You know, the first wash, it doesn't really show much, but ooh, it smells really good. It smells very fruity, which is good. Yeah, we won't get much lather from this, from the first wash. Alright, so let's try this again. Let's do a second wash. Second wash. Now we talking. Yep, now we're talking. I know some people, when they're doing shampoo, they don't apply shampoo to the ends of their hair. I don't care. I wash from the root to the end. It's product buildup everywhere. Oh my goodness, a little goes a long way. Whoa. See that? Scalp massages promotes hair growth. Just a tip. Alright, so I'm done washing out the shampoo. And the good thing about this shampoo, you know how some shampoo makes your hair feel really dry and hard, like you definitely have to go in with a conditioner right after? It doesn't feel like that. My hair feels clean. After washing out my hair with warm water, because I wash my shampoos out with warm water, I'm gonna go in with the conditioner. I love woolly conditioner in my ear. And I know some people only apply conditioner on the ends of their hair. Like I said, it goes everywhere for me. Everywhere. Alright, come on. Pump it up. Oh my goodness, this smells really good. Listen, we are sleeping on Dollar Tree hair products. I mean, for our hair type, there's not a lot of options in Dollar Tree. Yeah. But let's see if the knotty dread can go in a ponytail without struggling. Yes. This is just a fast wash day routine. Ain't nothing too crazy. Usually I spend hours in my hair on wash days, but I just want this to be a fast one. Wash days can be a pain, but after you're done and the feeling of your hair, it's worth it. I'm not putting no hair, no sections. I'm not doing none of that extra stuff. I'm just going through with my hair. Because even though I had a lot of buildups, my hair wasn't that dirty, you know? It wasn't that dirty. It's because I put gel in my hair this morning and then that happened. We are sleeping. Thick hair girls problems. Woo. Yo girl hair in a ponytail. Somebody hair is growing. Alright, so after washing out the conditioner with cold water, like I literally can't complain about these products. It actually makes my hair feel soft, feels good. Like I was saying before, the camera battery died. Now I'm gonna go on to styling my hair. First, I'm gonna be using the Lusti Argan Oil Moisturizer. Alright, so what I can say about this moisturizer is it smells good and it's not watery. But there's a but. I don't think it's moisturizing enough for my hair. Like, I have to use a good amount to actually feel it working into my hair. It's a little too light for my hair. It's not watery, but it feels a little too light for my hair. And I just use a whole lot. So, yeah. Nah. I'm not really feeling this moisturizer. So next I'm gonna try the gel. Green. Alright.
Okay.
Alright, so my camera battery died, and since I already started this hairstyle, I'm gonna finish recording on my phone. So I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of the oil. I've used this oil already in the past, so I know it's very good. It works good for my hair when I was relaxed, and now that I'm natural, it works really good for my hair. That I know. I didn't even get to show you the full routine on how I did my hair. I'm just gonna give you my final thoughts right now. Shampoo and conditioner, I give those a 9 out of 10. The moisturizer, I give that a 5 out of 10. Just because it was too light for my hair. It didn't do much for my hair. The gel, I love this gel. It's $1, but it's still wet, it's still drying, but it's defining my curls. And it laid my hair. So the gel I give a 10. I give the oil a 9 out of 10 as well. Like, I've been using that oil for years, so I know how that works. It's just too small, but why not? It's good. This is my final result. I just did 2 buns. It's my first time doing bun on my natural hair. So if you guys made it to the end of my video, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe and also hit that bell to get notification when I post videos. Stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.